floor to Liam Simon.
Jolie, bako nga.
Yes, once again, let's give a round of applause to Liam Simon this time. Okay, this one is also eager to dance with Hey Lona. Let's give a round of applause to Maxi David.
Bravo kay Bibi Bay.
Round three, ladies and gents, this time, let's welcome Christoph Oliwick. Okay, yes, later, Christoph will dance his Lola. This time, let's give the dance floor to Clark Kent. Yes. Bryce Maxwell. Okay, go Bryce. Okay, sila na lang tuhan. Okay, let's have Christoph and Bryce Maxwell. Okay, go. Come on, tuhan. Come here. Come here. Don't be shy. Come here. Thank you so much this time.